like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, it's time to prank our cousins and siblings. So today we are going to make paper snake. So let's make paper snake and prank with them. And welcome you once again to my channel TV Craft. I am your friend Disha. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell. So let's get started. First we will take a paper and fold in half. And again fold it. Again fold it. And open it. And we have to cut these lines. So let's cut it. You have cut the strips. Same way I have cut more strips with different color. Now take glue and attach these strips like this way. And do it like this way. Stick strips here, and same way we have to do with the rest of strips also. So let's do it. So it's ready. Now let's stick this. So we have to stick this green part on this yellow part. And cut this excess part. Let's keep this gum aside. Don't cut this part. So we will stick on this part the snake's head. Now take this yellow color paper again. Let's draw snake's head. Let's draw your eyes also. I will draw one big eye and one small eye. Let's color it with sketch pen. Let's cut this. And stick it here like this way. Now let's take red color paper to make down. Let's cut it. And let's stick this here. And the snake is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.